Hello student, in this video we are going to be learn about dividing 3-digit number by 2-digit number. See the practice time 1. Question number A. Divide the following. So now student, we have to divide a 3-digit number 1, 2, 3-digit number by 2-digit number. How we can divide it? Student, 19 we have to divide to the 228. So student, I made here a 19 table. First of all, whenever you have to divide by 2-digit number or by any number, so that time you have to write a table of that number at least till 5. If it is needed, then you can do it for more, but at least till 5 you have to make a table. So now student, a 19 we have to divide to the 228. So let us divide step by step. So what is the first step when we have to divide? So always divide to the first digit. So now look at here, the first digit is 2. So 2 is very small than a 19. So that is why it is not possible. So you have to take a help of next 2. Now the 22. So this 22 become a more than 19. Now the 22 is become a more than 19. So that is why we can divide a 22 by 19. So let us find a 22 in a 19 table. So when we find, so there is a no 22 numbers comes in a 19 table. So that is why what we have to do, student, we have to find a such number that is nearer to the 22 and less than 22. So ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो 22 से छोटा है और 22 के पास है? तो ऐसा नंबर है 19. So therefore we have to take a 19 as that number. So 19 we have to write, but 19 comes in a 19 table when 19 ones are 19. Now we have to subtract. So after subtracting, after 19 you can forward count till 22. So 19, 20, 21, 22. So how many are left? 3 are left. And here 0. Now next digit will come 38. Now observe a 38 number in a 19. Yes, it is there. So 19 twos are 38. So 19 twos are 38. So we can subtract it. Why we took it 38 directly? Because student, already 38 comes in 19 table. अगर 38 नहीं आता था तो हम 38 के पास वाला नंबर और छोटा वाला नंबर ढूंढते हैं. Now student, next let's divide by 14 to 322. So how we can solve? First of all, I made a 14 table using a trick whatever I shown you. Now here the 14 table I made till 5. If it is necessary, then you can go beyond of that. Now student, with a first step, first of all we have to divide to the first digit. So first digit is 3, which is very small than 14. So that is why we have to take a help of next digit. Now the total number become a 32. So now student, find a 32 in a 14 times table. So if you are observing, there is a no 32 in a 14 times table. So therefore, in such case, what we have to do? We have to find a स्मॉलर नंबर देन 32, 32 से छोटा नंबर ढूंढना है, एंड विच इज नियरर टू 32 और 32 के पास होना चाहिए। तो देखो 14 टाइम्स टेबल में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है, 28। जो 28 है वो 32 से छोटा भी है और उसके पास में भी है। सो देयरफॉर 14 2s comes a 28. Now subtract student. 2 cannot be subtract, so borrow 1. It become a 12. 12 minus 8, it is 4, and it is 2, so 2 minus 2 become a 0. Now student, next number comes 2. So the number will be 42. So find a 42 in a 14 times table. Next step. Okay. So here it is. Already it is there. So 14 3s are 42. So that is why student we can write down a quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. So student, quotient is upper number and this is your actually answer. So here quotient is 12 and remainder is leftover number, that is remainder, and this is quotient. So remainder is 0 0. So quotient here 23 and remainder is 0 0. So this way you can divide a 3-digit number by 2-digit number.